What's up, Groove-MPL? This is Alex Kiel, producer-songwriter here in Nashville, Tennessee. And I'm going to give you a breakdown today on what I do with drums. And first, we're going to start off with the kit. We got a Pearl kit here that I'm rocking with. My buddy Petar Janjic, he plays for Cory Wong, was nice enough to just have this set up for me when we're using it. It is set up as a right-handed right now. He is left-handed, but I'm just going to give you a breakdown of exactly what we're doing mic-wise. Right off the top, I'm going to just go overheads with the Soyuz the FET 13s that we got rocking. They're not the tubed, but really good clarity that comes out of these. John Fields, a producer friend, recommended them to Petar and I when we were kind of getting a drum sound. And he said, instead of doing a Coles mic, doing these for a little bit cheaper. They're amazing. Honestly, they sound incredible. Starting from overheads down to the snare, I'm going to go with the Sennheiser here. We got rocking 441. Great mic. Vintage mic, used to be relatively cheaper. Now they're a lot more money, but I can't believe how good that sounds. Used to use an SM57, but now with that, and just thoroughly impressed. From there, EV connection, thankfully with these guys on the toms, ND44, ND46. We have the 635A down here. Unfortunately, can't get them anymore, but if you can find some on Reverb, go and grab one of these, because these babies right here, I tell you what, they sound so cool as a crotch mic, a trash mic, what was it again?
Heartbeat.
A heartbeat mic. They're so cool, man. They just sound incredible. So, go get yourself one of those. SM57 on the hi-hat, for later when you want to mute it. Then right out top to the kick mics. RE20 for the outside. Obviously, I don't have a cover on this, but getting that, and then the Alien 8, which is another recommendation from John Fields. And man, it is one of the best mics for kicks that I've ever heard. Honestly, the sub that comes out of there is just incredible. SM57 on the snare bottom. Relatively simple for that. I am by no means an engineer, but when we were setting up the studio and kind of getting a vibe of what we wanted in here to get more dry drums for Petar specifically, because I do record him a lot, we kind of went with this mic setup and really just started honing it in with my UAD that I have for the Apollo AP, and all the presets on that, or the preamps, and then just dialing it in. I mean, just getting more comfortable with your sound. The more you do it, that's kind of the vibe. So last thing that we got here is the UAD Sphere DLX mic modeling mic that UAD came out with. Buddy in LA that I went out and saw, and Brandon Butner was like, we were doing vocals on this thing, and I couldn't believe how good it sounded. So bought it from vocals. Then I was like, well, I got it, might as well use it as a room. So just get a little more room sound in here, and that's it.